Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Oliver, and today we're gonna be making mulled wine. We're gonna turn this red wine into this spicy, aromatic, warm winter drink for your holidays. You don't have to buy very expensive wine here because a lot of the alcohol here is gonna evaporate while we heat it up on the stove. You don't have to spend too much money on this. Just crack this open. There we go. Alright, let's follow me into the pot. So we've got the orange zest, orange juice, anise stars, cinnamon stick, what was it? What was I saying there? Whole cloves and cardamom. And I've also added a third of a cup of table sugar in there. Now we're gonna turn the stove on and then just let it simmer for 15 to up to an hour. Once it's done simmering, we're gonna add in the rest of the wine, and I'll show you guys the end result. So we're just pouring a third of a cup of brandy back into the mulled wine because a lot of the alcohol has been evaporated. So just increase the alcohol content a little bit. And now all we need to do is pour everything back to the bottle. Make sure to strain it. Pour it back a little bit at a time. So this way, next time you want to drink it, just warm it up on the stove, heat it up a little bit, should be good to go. From the whole bottle of wine, it has almost evaporated, almost a quarter of it. So the flavor of the wine is going to be a whole lot denser. I'm going to pour myself a cup right now. See how it tastes. Just sweet enough. And honestly guys, this is the perfect adult drink from a cold day outside. So I just showed you guys how to make mulled wine at home. I hope you guys learned something in this video. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure to go subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye.